What is up, guys? Another site. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Gemini to your n8n. So first, you need to head over to your n8n, and then you need to create a new workflow. After that, you need to click on this plus icon, and then you need to search for Gemini. After searching for Gemini, you need to click on this Google Gemini, and after clicking here, let's say I want to message a model. Click on this. And after clicking here, you need to click on this credential to connect with and then click on create new credential. After that, here you need the API key. Now to get the API key, you need to head over to the Google AI Studio by just simply typing aistudio.google.com. And after that, here on the right side, you need to click on create API key and then name your API key. And after naming your API key, you need to select a cloud project, and after selecting the cloud project you need to click on create key. After that, a new key will be created, and when the API key has been created, you just simply need to copy the API key, head back to n8n, and then you need to paste the API key and then click on save. After clicking on save, the credential will be successfully saved and then the connection will be tested successfully. So this is how you can connect to Gemini to your n8n. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.